Hello again, it's Pamela Sylvan, the Mojo Maker, back with another hot mojo tip. And it's the beginning of a brand new week, and I thought I'd start this week's messages with this. You know, every now and then we get inspired to do things. We talk about that a lot. Inspiration, sudden thoughts, they're there for a reason. That part of you, your other self, I'll talk about that more as we move along, but your other self is directing and guiding you on the things and taking you to the places in which you specifically want to go. Not what your friend thinks or where your friend would like to go, but where you would like to go. And we get these messages all the time. We might be getting them when we're in meditation or when we might even just be doing housework. I get it a lot when I'm washing dishes. But either way, when those messages arrive, it's to act on them immediately, because if you don't, you'll lose the motivation to do anything about it. And those messages are gold. They might even seem way out of line, have nothing to do with you or where you're going, but maybe it's the message is to go buy dog food. I don't know. But you go, you meet somebody at the store who then leads you to another place and to another place, taking you down the road or the journey in which you're supposed to go. Either way, whatever you hear, follow through. That's what inspired action is. It's about learning to trust yourself. And you also have to get to that place, especially if you're an entrepreneur or a content creator or somebody like that, is to stop caring what people think. Once you get those inspired actions, take it and forget what people are going to say. They don't know the journey you're on. They have no idea what's close to your heart. And they themselves are too afraid to take the actions that you are now taking for yourself. So that's a quick message for me today. When you get those inspired messages, immediately act on them. They're there. They're your guides. I would even say your angels taking you to the next place that will lead you to the next level. Okay? I'm Pamela Sylvan, wishing you a wonderful, powerful day, leading through an inspiring and an amazing week. Follow those inspired messages. Have a good day. Bye-bye.